Next we're going to look at creating an assignment. Now this might be for homework or it might be for something to be completed in class. Now we're going to do this first by creating our page. So go to where you want it to be created and click create. We're going to just call this an assignment test for now, and we're going to choose the format assignment and click done. Now a lot of the pages in Firefly look exactly the same, but this is where you notice a slight difference, and that's that we have the question format appear at the top of the page. So when I click on question, we suddenly have lots of options of how to present questions to the user. So for this first example, I'm going to do a multiple choice question. So what is the name of the new VLE? And then what we need to do now is to add the answers. So our first answer is Firefly, which is the correct answer. And then we just want some red herring answers: Firefox, Barfly, and Fire Extinguisher. And we could randomise those so it doesn't look too deliberate. And we could show an explanation if we wanted to, but we don't need to. I'll just click done, and that straight away appears on the page. Let's add something different. This time I'm going to add some text. You've got a line or a paragraph option. I'll go with paragraph. What are the benefits of using a VLE like Firefly? And I don't need to do much to that. Automatically mark manually will be ticked, because the teacher has to mark because it is a text entry answer. So done. So we have the question with a blank box. And then finally, question, I'm going to add, there is a true false one there, but that's fairly self-explanatory. I'm just going to add a file upload. So I'm just going to put upload a photograph, well, not a photograph really, an image of the Firefly logo, something like that. But it also could be a PowerPoint, a Word document, although I wouldn't recommend uploading too many documents to Firefly because it will take up a lot of space. It's nice to actually just complete things through online forms as we've just done previously, but there's an option to upload something if you wanted to. Click done, and when we're all finished we click publish. Now what we haven't done at the moment is we haven't said who that assignment is for. That's possible because you might want to use the same assignment for lots of different students. So at the moment all we've done is create an assignment page, but at the top of the page when we've clicked publish, what we've got here is set this assignment as a task to a group. If I choose that, I could then, just like we did before, look up the name of your class. Now once again I'm just going to use my name as the example because I can get to the assignment then, and then we'll go through all the same things again. Complete the task on Firefly. I'm not going to attach anything else at the moment because it's all in the right place. Just quickly add a due date, click next, and click publish. And that assignment is now set as a task. Now we're going to complete that task and find the task that I've been set. Now I showed you the dashboard way before, but this time I'm going to go through the tasks tab at the top, and instead of the manage the set tasks, I'm going to go to your tasks, the ones that have been set for me. So your tasks, and here we have all the ones that I've set, and I'm going to go to the end, and that's the one that I've just set, complete the task on Firefly. So I'm going to submit the work. So what is the name of the new VLE? Fairly sure that was it. What are the benefits of using a VLE like Firefly? 24 access to content, less paper, easier for teachers to mark, wanted to upload an image of Firefly. I'll skip that part, but all you'd have to do is click on choose file and find the image, and that would be easy to do, and click submit. It's just telling me some of the answers were blank. I confirm submission with one answer blank. There we go. Submit. That assignment has now been submitted by the student, and all that needs to be done now is to be marked by the teacher. So refer to the separate video on marking work to see how that's done.